Hello everyone. Kelly Khumalo's sister Zandile Khumalo is showing her some love after a few difficult weeks. The singer was removed from at least 2 festivals earlier this month following an outcry from social media users after her name was mentioned during the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. 5 men are currently on trial for the late Bafana Bafana captain's 2014 murder. A police data analyst told the court in late July a number linked to one of the suspects made a call to Kelly's phone on 2 occasions before the soccer star's death. Kelly Khumalo is not one of the suspects on trial and has not been charged in connection to Senzo's murder. Despite calls for the singer to be cancelled, some shows did not remove her from scheduled performances. Kelly was spotted at the Rusty Rocks All for Women music concert on 12 August. Her sister Zani shared a picture from the show on her Instagram page and wrote, "If I had my way, I would take it all away. But how else would you get to be this strong and amazing? You can't get to be this amazing on love only. A bit of hate here and there is needed. You went out there last night and conquered where some would have crumbled. I'm proud of you." While some celebrities have remained silent on Kelly's recent controversy, her close friend Somizi Mhlongo has publicly supported him. The mother of 3 is expected to perform at the Somizi's Shades of Pink event taking place at Imperial's Place in Johannesburg on Saturday, 19 August. Kelly promoted the event by sharing a video of Somizi by introducing her to the stage at her performance last week. Somizi said, "Please make some noise and welcome my sister that I love with all of my heart. This woman stood with me when I couldn't stand, and I will stand with her no matter what."